create circular slab opening on your model. So I'll be doing that on the following slabs. So I'll go to story, select the desired floor, click on the modeling tab and select slab opening here and change the type to circular. So I'll enter the diameter 2000 millimeters and select the point on the slabs. I will change the diameter to 1500 and do that for this slab and this slab. So in the 3D view, this is what we now have. To create a rectangular or square opening, this is all you have to do. Go to the plan view, then make sure that the desired story is selected. Then go to the modeling tab and select slab opening or drop. Enter the parameters for the opening. Here I'm going to use 3000 millimeters by 1000 millimeters. Then I'll go to the desired point on my slab and left click again on the same spot. So I can change that by entering 1000 millimeters again and do it on the slab. Left click again. So going to the 3D view, we now have our openings in place. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it with anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notifications bell to stay updated on new tutorials and design insights. You can follow us on TikTok. Remember, learn something new every day. See you again.